Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Mini Mystery Box of Awesome. This subscription box is only $10 a month and it's a complete surprise and I really love it. So let's take a look at what's inside. This kind of looks like the water bottles you use for like a bicycle. It says it's insulated, 18 ounces. It's useful, pretty cool. So we got that. Also get a little insert every month with like a word search and some little brain teasers. So this is the one from April. Some advertisements for their snack box. And Fandango. Hand fidget spinner. So it looks like it's a fidget spinner, but then you can also clip it to your belt little loop with keys, and then it also opens bottles. I have never seen anything like that. That's pretty fun. Very cool. And the last item looks like maybe, oh yeah, hi, that's bright. So it like flashes and I guess it's like a little headlight. You wear it when you're riding your bike probably, kind of like a bicycle theme with some of the items except for this. But yeah, like I said, completely random items, but they're always super fun and I've gotten some really great products from this company. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all their information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.